Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video is tuturo kung paano nga ba ang wiring diagram ng dual horn na may stock horn. Yun guys. Yun guys, start na natin ang ating wiring diagram. Pero bago ang lahat guys, is kailangan muna natin ng battery, dalawang fuse, ignition switch, horn switch, stock horn at ang dual horn at ang ating 5-pin hollow switch. Siyempre kailangan din natin ng 5-pin relay. Kung bago ka lang sa ating channel guys, is don't forget to click the like, subscribe at pindutin ang notification bell para update kayo sa mga ganitong videos. Yun guys, start na natin ang wiring diagram ng ating dual horn. First guys is start tayo dito sa ating dual horn na may tigda dalawang wire. And guys, yung kulay niya is kulay green at black. Yung black guys is connected natin pareho. Then connect naman natin to sa stock horn din. Then ito nga pala guys yung ang ating negative or ang ating body ground. Then guys, yung green naman is connect natin pareho rin. Then connected naman to sa ating 87 na 5-pin relay. Then guys, punta na tayo dito sa ating 5-pin hollow switch. Ang kulay niya guys is red, yellow, blue, green at black. Yung black guys is connected sa ating ground or connected na lang natin sa ating horn na kulay black. Then guys, yung kulay green is connected sa ating stock horn na kulay green. Then guys, yung kulay blue is connected naman natin sa ating horn switch na kulay blue. Then guys, yung kulay yellow naman is connected naman ito sa ating 86 sa ating 5-pin relay. Yung red guys is connected sa ating 5-pin relay 30. Then guys, yung horn switch naman is may dalawang wire. Yung isa ay kulay blue and black. Yung blue guys is connected sa ating hollow switch. Yung black guys is connected sa ating ACC wire sa ating ignition switch. Sa ignition switch naman guys is may dalawang wire, black at red. Yung ACC wire niya is kulay black guys. Then yung red guys is connected sa ating fuse. Then guys, sa fuse naman may dalawang wire. Yung isa is connected sa ating ignition switch. Yung isa is connected sa ating positive ng ating baterya. Then guys, punta tayo dito sa ating 5-pin relay. 5-pin relay guys is may makikita kayo na 30, 86, 85 at 87 natin. Yung 30 guys, yun yung ating positive na connected sa ating fuse na isa. Then yung fuse naman is connected sa ating positive ng battery. Then yung 86 naman guys is connected sa ating hollow switch. Yung 87 guys yung is connected sa ating horn, yung dalawang dual horn natin. Then guys, yung 85 is connected naman ito sa ating battery na negative or ang ating body ground. Then sa battery guys is meron tayong positive at negative. Yung negative guys yung ating body ground. Then guys, tapos na ang ating wiring diagram ng dual horn na may stock horn.